Hi guys, you watching oxcryptos, and this is my first video in English language, and I am not native speaker, so I will try my best, but maybe you will hear some mistakes. Let's talk today about Subspace project and node of this project. Now they have stress test, and they say in those Discord that everyone who sign at least one block in this stress test will be noticed about incentivized testnet, so it will be paid for us, and everyone who will sign at least one block will have priority access in IDO sale. Also guys, to participate in incentivized testnet we have to participate in stress test now from same address. For this stress test we need to make substrate address on Polkadot, and you have to save seed phrase in safety place. So let's go. For first we will need address, as I said already. You can make it here. All links will be under the video. I'll show you how to make this, but I will not make because I already have. Press add account. Here you will see mnemonic phrase. Make sure that you save it. Here we mark that we save it and click next. Here name of account, maybe Subspace, and password. Next, and when you press save, new address will be added here. To copy this address you have to click on icon. In next step we will need access to VPS you can buy in many services. I use Cantaba. If it's your first node, I can suggest you to use DigitalOcean because they can give you $200 as a trial period for 2 months. Of course, if you will register by my referral link. How to buy VPS you can search in internet, it's a separate topic. Okay, this is our VPS. I will use Docker to install, and all commands I will just copy paste, and all of them will be under the video. If you had the node before, which was installed as systemmd as a daemon, you have to delete it, and commands for delete will be also in manual. I don't have, so I will start from scratch. For first we need to install Docker. Next step is setting our wallet address for rewards. We have to copy it here. Next is our node name. And next one must be limit for disk usage. I will set it for 100 GB. And next lines you just copy and paste without editing. It must be like this. And now we need to make file docker compose YML. As you see, we use makedir to create folder, and just go to this folder. In next step we need to copy big text and paste it as full text. It will be like this. Yes, enter. So All that we need to do now is just run it. Okay, done. You can check logs with this command. Okay, it's working. You can stop it by Ctrl+C. And signed blocks you can check with these commands. Of course, I will see nothing because no signed blocks, but I can show you how it works with another node. It will be like this. And also you can check your node in Telemetry by this address I also will leave under the video. Here not necessary to press Ctrl F to find, just start typing name of your node. Okay, this is my first node. And this is my second node. That's all. Don't forget that deadline of this stress test is 24th of May. So till 24th of May we have to sign at least one block. And don't forget, click like and subscribe to my channel. See you!